Hi everyone, my name is Kelsey McIntosh. My pronouns are she, her, hers. My hometown is Trenton, Ohio. It's only about 20 minutes away from Oxford. My major is education studies, and one of my new hobbies lately has been cooking. My boyfriend and I moved out over summer. His name is Corey, and recently we've really gotten into cooking. I'll do it on my days off while he's at work, just so we'll have like a really good dinner. And it's been super fun. I just made some pasta salad for a family get together, and it turned out super good. I was so happy with it. And since we've moved out, we now have two cats. We only had one originally. Her name is Kitty. She was my cat at home with my parents, but we brought her with us and we went on a trip over summer to see my brother. He lives in North Carolina and he had a kitten that he no longer could keep, so we took her as well. And this is her. Her name is Callie. She's super wily, but we're trying to tame her down a little bit. And lastly, here's a picture of my boyfriend I've been talking about. His name is Corey. This was literally the day before we moved out. Um, so yeah, that's pretty much all about me. I'm really excited to get to know all of you and work with you this semester.